What's going on, Bernal Heights family? This is Christopher Renfro, and I am going to introduce our program. So I am a local farmer, urban farmer, living here in San Francisco. I've been here for about 15 years, and gardening is something that I love to do. It's something that brings me happiness, and it's something that I want to share with my community. So that's why we're all here. I'm super excited to teach you guys how to do some home gardening, and I think it's going to be pretty fun. It's not going to be too hard, and at the end of this we're going to be able to have some salad and eat some vegetables from your own house. So some of the things we're going to be going over during this course are basic fundamentals on how to plant your starts that you'll be receiving, how to water those plants, how to fertilize them when necessary. I'm also going to be giving you guys some fun tips on things that you can be doing around the house with random materials, propagating seeds, strange things that you find, avocados, weird stuff like that. What else? We're going to be having our Zoom chats where when you have questions, you can ask me anything about gardening. We'll also be talking about interesting topics dealing around with gardening and food, stuff like that. So let's see where we're gonna go next. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and run down all the supplies with you guys. So here we are, you guys. These are gonna be your window planters. You'll be receiving 2 of those, or you'll be receiving 2 of these grow bags. You'll be receiving your soil, your potting mix. You'll be receiving a water canister, some pruners, and here are a couple of little shovels for you to dig your soil with, and a fork. Next, we have our starts. So we've got some lettuce, we've got some parsley, and we've got some bunch onions, and arugula. Your wicks should look something like this. All the way down, and there you go. So I'm gonna go ahead and take soil from this pot and go ahead and put it into our planter. But yours may already be filled, so you might not have to worry about that. We're gonna wanna fill it all the way to this rim. Make sure that the roots have enough area to grow. All right. So let's fill it to this little rim, and that should be good. So I wanted to just show you guys this. There's a little hole right here, and we don't want to cover that line up because that's where you're going to add your water. So I went ahead and filled our grow bags with soil, potting mix, and I just wanted to show you that it's filled to this line. And the reason we're doing that is because we want the roots to have enough area to grow all the way down. Our next step is going to be putting our plants in. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take our bunching onions and our parsley, and we're gonna put them into our planter box. So what you wanna do is you wanna grab the bunches by the roots, pull it out gently, and then you take your hand, your fingers, and you're gonna open up enough space to put it down in there, and you're gonna cover it back up with soil. We're gonna do the same thing now with our parsley. And we're gonna push it this way this time so it doesn't go into the hole, that water hole. Go ahead, put it down in there. Make sure it's nice, firm. Pat it down. Then we'll go ahead and give that some water here in a second. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead and put 2 bunches of lettuce in this next planter box. So here we go again. I'm gonna grab 2 pieces of lettuce, 2 bunches of lettuce, and pull them out. We'll start on this side this time. And I'll go ahead and push it that way. Make a big enough space. Cover that back up with soil. Let's grab one more. All right. Go ahead. I'm gonna put that in there and do the same thing. So this is ready to be watered also. All right, so what we're gonna do for the grow bag is we're gonna put in 1 kale and we're gonna put in 2 onions. So we'll start with our kale and we're gonna put that in the center. So take your hand and we're gonna go ahead and open up our space. We really don't need the tools right now, but here we go. Put it in there just deep enough, pat around, and then we're gonna put the onions on each side. So I'll put one right here on the right. Make sure it's deep enough in. Nice. And then we're gonna go ahead and do it again on this side. Nice. So that's what your bag should look like. So for our next planter bag or grow bag, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put in 2 arugula and 2 lettuce. And we're gonna put them on opposite ends also. So I'll put one over here. I'll put one over here. And then we're gonna take our lettuce and put it on the opposite side. All right, there we go. So now what we need to do is we need to water. So now that we got everything planted, we're gonna go ahead and water. We found a good spot on the stairs that'll allow drainage. So I'll show you. We're gonna let the water soak in. It's gonna run away for a while. Let the water go down. Let it drain out. You can see it's draining. Go ahead and water it again. Just make sure that it's evenly watered. Try and get all the edges if you can. There we go. So I found a good window to put my planter boxes. So we're gonna go ahead and water them. Now you can water them from the top. Go ahead and get them started. And any runoff water is gonna go into that little spout. Little hole we didn't cover up. So I just wanted to show you guys again where the level on the water can be seen. I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up just a little bit more, and that's gonna eliminate me having to water this for a while, so we'll go ahead and check on it soon. All right, you guys, so we're all started. Now all we got to do is watch these plants grow. Let me know if you have any questions when our Zoom call comes up, and I'm so happy to be doing this with you all. I can't wait till we all get to meet and have some good plant convo. Talk to you soon.